The Rooster and the Mysterious Watcher. A sly little fox is watching the rooster from far away. Can you guess, my little friends? Is the rooster in danger today? Or will he find a clever way to keep himself safe? Today we're going to listen to a story called The Rooster and the Fox. It's a gentle story that teaches us about being quick thinking, brave, and keeping ourselves safe. That morning, the sun had just woken up. Soft golden light touched the tops of the trees. The rooster stood on the highest branch, took a deep breath, and called out proudly, "Cock-a-doodle-doo, a brand new day has begun." His voice traveled far, waking up the whole forest. But right under the tree, the fox was hiding behind the bushes. He stared at the rooster and whispered to himself, "That plump little rooster would make the perfect breakfast." The rooster's brilliant trick. The fox thought he was very smart, but one clever line turned everything upside down. The fox stepped out